Yo, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe, right? So I can keep dropping more interesting content.
This tool allows you to do a lot of transformation with your data and also clean your data very fast. With Insert a New Column from Example, it's an AI tool in Power Query that does a lot of magic. From my Power Query interface, I can do a lot of things here. Let's say, for example, I have this email right here, and from this email, I want to extract the full name of these people. I can go to Add Column. From Add Column, you will see this tool called Column from Example. You can decide to do a column from example from a selection or from all the columns in your data. But right here, I would like to do either of the one because I only have one column. Now, looking at this, you see enter sample values to create a new column, then Control Enter to apply it. And what you need to do in this scenario is to give an example. This is what I want to do, and Power Query will do the rest. Remember, I want to extract Adewale Yusuf, right? Which means I don't need to write a complex M code to be able to do this. When you want to achieve this in Power Query without using column from example, you may need to write some complex M code or do like 3 or 4 steps. Now, by giving an example, I'll click on the next cell. I can even type another example here, which is David Abu, and do Control Enter. Now, immediately I do Control Enter, you can see a code that was generated for me automatically by Power Query. This is what I'm supposed to do myself, but because of this AI, I don't need to write this complex M. So I can click OK. By clicking OK, I can see the name splitted. The second example I would like to give is when I want to extract from full name. Let's say, for example, I need the first name of these people. What do I need to do? Go to Add Column tab, click on Column from Example from Selection. Remember what I need. The sample is the first name. So I'll come here and type my example, which is Adewale, right? And click Control Enter. So by doing this, it has generated a code for me that split this and give me the first name. I can also do the same to extract the last name. I'm going to click on Column from Example and let me try to extract the last name. By typing Yusuf here and do Control Enter, you'll see that it has actually extract all the last name for me. And looking at this, you can see Yusuf, Abu is there, Ajani is there, and all the last name has been extracted. Another example I can do is to join things. This also gives you the capability to join things. Let's say I want to join these two names together. What I need to do is to come to my column from all columns, right? You know, this is not from selection because I'm joining two things. So I'll do from all columns. And right here, I'm going to type Adewale Yusuf and click Control Enter. By doing this, you will notice that it has combined this for me by putting Adewale and then Yusuf together in a column, which is this. I can also do another type of example that shows for academic use. Let's say, for example, I want my last name to come before my first name. I can click on Column from Example again and do Yusuf Adewale this time around and do Control Enter. By doing this, you can see it has rearranged all the names here, changing it to Ajani Olalekon. So let me click OK. So it has also rearranged the names. That is another example scenario you can use for Column from Example. Also here, I can join variables. For example, I want to create a statement with this row that says Adewale Yusuf with staff code T001 in L&D department earned this amount as a salary. So I can come to my column from example and click from all columns. And here I can just type Adewale Yusuf with staff code T-001 in L&D department and 2410197 per annum. So this is the statement I want to write for all single row. So I can click Ctrl Enter to see how this is going to come, right? Now, let me click OK so you see how beautiful this is. Looking at this, if you look at this column very well, you see it has created this statement for me for all this. This is David Abu with staff code T002 in sales. You can see David Abu is in sales department and this amount. And it has created a code that it will be very difficult for me to create myself for me. Another example is when I need to create some uppercase, lowercase, and the likes, right? Although I can decide to change this from there, but I can actually do something from example as well that will do uppercase for me. Maybe I want to type Adewale Yusuf and do Ctrl Enter, and you'll see that it has converted everything to uppercase for me based on my example.